So I've installed the Kleinn GM1500-734 kit on this 2016 Silverado. And before we get to the video where we're playing around with the horn and having a lot of fun with it, I'd like to show you a couple of other features that come with the kit. More specifically, included is also a quick connect that has a hose attachment in addition to a tire inflation nozzle. And we've gone ahead and installed our quick connect here in the rear wheel well. Just pop that in, connect our attachment, and we're good to go. Additionally, there's a couple of other attachments that you can install on this kit or use with any quick connect. And I got myself a air nozzle so that after I go to the car wash, prevent any water from running down the side of it because they never get clean. Use this little tool right here, blow out any remaining water that's in the mirror or anything like that. So now it's time to get to the fun stuff.
Anytime.
Go for it.
It's time to eat!
Hey, Paul! Go for it.
Here we go.
You're gonna push it down.
Right now?
Yeah, go for it.